If you have weakness on your facial muscles or Bell's palsy, you have to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to show you the exercises that you need to do to help you recover from Bell's palsy faster. Watch till the end so you can see all the exercises that will help you regain your normal facial expressions. If at the beginning your muscles are weak, you're going to assist your muscles. Then later on, as your muscles get stronger, you're going to add some resistance. All these exercises can be done in both ways. So first is blinking. A lot of times when people have Bell's palsy, they have difficulty fully closing their eyes. What I want you to do is I want you to close your eyes as tight as you can. Now, if let's say one of them keeps opening up, you're going to use your fingers and try to close it. And then relax. Again, you do the same thing. You can do all these exercises for 15 repetitions each. Now, as your muscles get stronger, you're going to resist. So try to close your eyes as tight as you can. And then using your fingers, you're going to try to open it. And relax. And again, and relax. Now, Bell's palsy usually affects one side of the face. So you're going to do these exercises on the affected side. Next is raising the eyebrows. People with Bell's palsy have difficulty raising the eyebrows. It makes it appear like they don't have any expression. So try to raise both eyebrows at the same time. If one of them is lagging, then use your fingers to help bring the eyebrow up. Relax. Again. Relax. Again. So do this 15 repetitions, and as your muscle gets stronger, when you raise your eyebrow, you're gonna push down. And add some resistance. Make it harder for you to raise your eyebrow. The third exercise is frowning. For this exercise, I want you to bring your eyebrows together. Create those wrinkles in between your eyebrow. As you can see, if you have Bell's palsy, you're not gonna be able to create the crease on one side. So what you're going to do, you're going to assist, you're going to bring your eyebrows together. Relax. Again, relax, bring them together as tight as you can, relax. As your muscle gets stronger and you're able to make that deep crease, then you're going to separate your eyebrows. Relax, again, spread them apart, relax, and do these 15 repetitions. Fourth is flaring your nose. You want to be able to flare your nose as big as you can. You're going to notice if you have Bell's palsy, again, you're not going to be able to flare your nose. You're going to see it one side and not on the other side. Both sides have to be even. What we're after is we want both sides of the face to be symmetrical. So flare it up as much as you can. Relax. And if this side has difficulty coming up, use your fingers. Help it. Relax. Again. Relax, count to 15, and once you're able to do it well, you're gonna push down and add some resistance. Relax. Again, count to 15. As we go from the top to the bottom, now we go to the lips part. First is smiling. You're gonna see this very, very obvious. People who have Bell's palsy, they don't have a symmetrical smile. They'll smile one side, this side doesn't come up, and we're gonna work on that. Smile as big as you can. And if one side is lagging, help it with your finger, bring it up. And down. Focus on each movement. You don't have to rush it. And when you're able to do a full smile, now we add resistance. Now push down. Relax. And push down. Count to 15 as well. Next is you purse your lips. It's like blowing a candle. People who have Bell's palsy, a lot of times they cannot blow out the candle. So this is the exercise for that. You can use a piece of paper and blow on it. Try to move the paper. If you're not able to do that, use your finger to help purse your lips. As you blow, hold it for a few seconds. And when you're able to do that, then you add the resistance. You're pushing in this time instead of pushing out. Your goal is to be able to purse your lips and still be able to blow the air out. Now I want to work on the cheeks. You're going to do some cheek puffing. You're going to put air onto the sides of your cheek and make sure that the air doesn't leak out from your lips. Make sure the lips are sealed tight. You're going to notice that if you have Bell's palsy, you're not going to be able to hold the air in. Air is going to leak out. Same thing as when they're drinking. They won't be able to hold the liquid in. It's going to keep leaking out. So this exercise is very important. So puff your cheeks and hold the air inside. If you're not able to do that, use your fingers to assist. Close the lips so that the air doesn't leak out. Now, as your muscles get stronger, you want to add resistance. When you have the air in your cheeks, you're going to press with your finger. Make sure that the air doesn't leak out. That means that your lips are able to make a tight seal. Do that for a count of 15 as well. Now, when you have Bell's palsy, it's not uncommon that you get neck pains to go with it. Watch the next video so you know what to do to relieve that neck pain.